Hello guys, and welcome back again to our .360 printing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print or transfer a photo on a stone slate using a sublimation process. So without any further ado, let's start with our tutorial. Let's open our Adobe Photoshop to prepare our file. As standard procedure, let's create a new A4 size canvas. Select File, New, and select International Paper under Document Type and choose A4 for size. Make sure to put 300 dpi as resolution and CMYK color as color mode. Let's put some guidelines and drag the image inside the canvas. For this tutorial, I downloaded a pretty colorful image from the internet. Stone slates comes from different sizes, and for this tutorial, we're using a 19cm by 14cm stone slates. Adjust the color using levels. Let's just add some text so I can easily show you how it looks like once we print the image. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to keep you posted with our upcoming tutorials. I'd recommend to put at least 2mm bleed on all sides to make sure that it covers the whole stone. Let's save the file and print. Select File, Print, then print press settings and select A4 size for document size. Since our canvas is in vertical position, make sure to select portrait. I am choosing Epson Matte as my paper type because this is the one that I have calibrated with my printer. Then set the quality as high. Select more options and check if mirror image is ticked under additional settings. It is very important to print this in a reverse position. As you can see, the image and text is printed in reverse position. Let's switch the machine on first before cutting the printed image, because it needs to reach a certain temperature before starting to press the stone. For Stone Slate Sublimation, I am using 200° for the heat and a total of 500 seconds for the time. 250 seconds on the first press, and then I'm turning the stone 180° and press it again for another 250 seconds. Before we cut, let's try to mock up the paper on the stone to check if the size is correct. Place the printed image facing to the sublimated part of the stone and stick it with the thermal tape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to keep you posted with our upcoming tutorials. Now that we reach 200 degrees Celsius, we can now start with our procedure. I'm placing the stone upside down because I want to fit the paper properly to the stone using the rubber pad. Then, cover it with the paper or any fabric to protect our taplon. Some other stones are sharp and break easily, so we need to keep that in mind when doing this procedure. Press the stone, and after 250 seconds, turn the whole pad to 180 degree and press it for another 250 seconds. This is just to make sure that the heat is equally distributed. There are times that you need to extend the time for another 60 seconds. This is to make sure that the image is transferred properly. Then after that, we are all set.
"2,000 years later." One eternity later.
Just be careful in touching the stone because it's extremely hot. Remember that the process is to transfer the image only and not including our skin. You can use a heat-resistant gloves or just a simple towel. Then, remove the paper slowly. Here you go, our sublimated photo stone slate. Just get some issue with the text because we put it on the sides. So make sure to put the text or any logo at least 2 cm away from the sides to make sure that it will not get cut like this one. I hope you learned something new again from this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to keep you posted with our upcoming tutorials. Thank you!